first started my YouTube journey, I mainly filmed Airbnbs. But in the last year, I've strayed away from them as I felt boxed in creatively. But then a new one pops up, one that suits your eye, one that ticks all the boxes. This is that Airbnb. So today is my 44th birthday, and to be honest, I can't think of anything else I'd rather be doing. Today was a good day. This very unique accommodation, named Gilay Estate, was designed by award-winning architect Cameron Anderson and built by Aztec Constructions. This is actually the second video I've done on one of his projects. The first one won the Airbnb award for most unique stay in 2022. And judging by this hut, it's safe to say he'll win it again this year in 2024.
Hi guys.
Oh, hi guys.
Is the fire going to be going?
The hot tub's going to be going.
No, the fire inside.
Oh, no. For me, I'm meant to move, chase new experiences and places, flow with nature and hear the earth sing. So if you get excited about sunsets, night skies, scents, colours, the shifting of shadows across the landscape, all while in a remote location, then Gilay Estate is for you.